What up, good people? Let's talk about the click at the gas pump. Let's get into this video. Basically, like when you at the gas pump, you giving it like, man, click, oh shoot, man, and stop that $27.50. I want to go up to $28. I'm gonna go ahead and give that 50 cents. Man, you just gave the gas station 50 cents back. So imagine that. Someone else doing it, someone else doing it, and you doing it, and you hurting your car? Wow. Do you really want to hurt your car? You know, most people are like, oh man, like most people be like, oh man, I baby my car, I take care of my car, I do all of this to my car. But when it comes down to the gas station, you be like, I gotta give it that little bit more MPG, or I'm not trying to waste my dollars. But actually, you are wasting your dollars. Wow, I didn't even know that. Imagine that, man. You wasting your dollars at the gas station, and guess what? Instead of you paying them to put gas in your car, you paying them back to take the gas back. Wow! What in the world? What in the world? But, you know, like I said, if you're balling, so do that. You know what I'm saying? You can do that. But I'm not balling, so I can't do that. I need every penny counts for me, you know what I'm saying? And I'm not trying to hurt the gen, because the gen is my baby right now. Oh man, so I'm not trying to hurt my car. I'm not trying to give the gas station money back. Yeah, so that's like two things that I'm really not trying to do, you know? If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. Welcome. I'd be happy to have you. But yeah, this is it.